I got three microphones here. The first one is the Smallrig U60 USB microphone. The one in the middle is the Rode SM7B. And this one is the Blue Yeti. In this video, I'm going to give you a real compare of how the three microphones sounds. And for the Smallrig, I connected to my computer and used the voice recorder. And for these two, I'm gonna connect it to the Zoom H5. For all the three, I don't do any post editing. I just adjust their volume to make sure they are more or less the same. I'm not going to focus on the technical details. I'm just going to show you how this microphone sounds. So let's get started. I want to close in. So now it's about 4 inches, my mouse to the microphone. This is how it sounds. And now this is about 1 foot. So this is how it sounds. And now this is about 1 foot. So this is how it sounds. And now this is about 1 foot. So this is how it sounds. I'm going to get close to each of the microphones. This is about 2 inches. This is about 2 inches. This is about 2 inches. And by the way, the Smallrig and the Blue Yeti, they have the dial to adjust the patterns. For the patterns, both of them using the cardio. So for the SM7B, let's check. I think this is flat. All these three mics, I think they are very good for the studio use indoors. But which one to choose is all depends on your voice. If your voice is somehow like me, after watching the video, I think you get an idea which will fit you better. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.